Okay. Good morning, children. 10th class student. Okay, I think you people have made your copies. Please make your copy and maintain your copy because there are marks for copies. Plus, today I'll be telling you all about the math file also, about the assignment also, and about your project as well as your art integrated program, which you have to undertake. Okay, so kindly pay attention. First, let me tell you all about your math file. This is supposed to be your assignment as per the board, which we have to keep the record. Is that clear? So everybody has to make it and keep it ready. Okay. Now, there was some confusion regarding the math work, so I'm clarifying just now. Okay, assignment 10th class student math work as per CBSE guidelines. We have told you all 18 maps are supposed to be made as per your history and your geography syllabus. So kindly make those maps and keep it ready. Okay, right on top, whatever is the heading, make a key on the side if you are showing crops over here, say for example rice or wheat, then you are coloring that particular area. So when you color it now, then write over here rice. Or if you are showing any kind of sample, you have to make a key over here. Okay, you have to mark on the map also. Say for example, this is your weed growing area. So you mark it like this and then you write it down at the key also. Okay, this is how you make the maps. Now, regarding the file, many of you are confused. So let me clarify it. You make your map, you paste that map on a white sheet, okay, whichever size, okay, and then either you get it spiral binding about it, okay, and keep it ready, or you might be having your 9th class file. This is your math file which you all are having. On that you can write it down, dance and all that. This I'm showing you all this is regarding dance. This is your 9th class math climate. Okay, so this 9th class file you can reuse it in your 10th class. You need not buy another file. And ninth, since you are in 10th class, you already know how you are supposed to make the map. Labeling, writing neatly, okay, different colors of pens if you are showing two different things on the same map that you are going to do on your own discretion. Is that clear? So 18 maps you have to keep ready. Now, as far as your project work, let us talk about your project work when we Now children, please pay attention, all of you. Okay, please pay attention, all of you. This I'll be explaining to you all one by one, so there should be no confusion. As per your CBSE children, you have got three topics. First is your consumer awareness. Second is your social issues, and third is your sustainable development. Is that clear? Now, out of these three topics, you have to make one project. So what we have done, we have taken roll number wise, and roll number 1 to 18 will be making the project on consumer awareness. So roll number 19 to 36 will be making on social issues. Roll number 37 till the last roll number, whichever it is, 52, 54, 55, they will be making on sustainable development. Okay, so one thing is clear that you have to make your project as per your roll number. Now, what you have to do? First, let us take consumer awareness. Let me explain to you all what you are going to do in consumer awareness. Consumer awareness means when we are exploited by the sellers in various forms, either we are given less weightage of the thing, okay, or we are cheated and given duplicate articles, or we are getting adulterated medicines, or there are many ways, weighing less, then high pricing they are demanding, then outdated expiry date things they are selling, adulterated things they are selling. Sometimes we get defective articles. In various forms, we might have suffered from consumer exploitation in some or the other form. This is one subject which was virtually absent since 1960s in our country. After 1960s only, this movement has come up. And gradually, initially, it was only related to your magazines and journals and newspapers. It was only written over there and nothing was being done. Because of the government's effort and because of the people's effort also, today we have got consumer development, consumer awareness as a different topic. As a different topic for that, a judicial setup has also been established. Okay, at the district level, at the state level, as well as at the national level also. And it has been regarded, say, what amount of cases, if it is less than 20 lakhs or more than 20 lakhs or higher than, say, 1 crore or something, then it is all decided that at which code we are supposed to apply. Okay, for little things also, if we apply in the consumer code and off, we keep on hearing about it that consumer exploitation had occurred and that person got the remuneration, or that person was, what you say, he was given compensation in full form. Okay, so today we have got a quasi-judicial setup. Quasi-judicial setup means government effort is also there, plus people's effort is also there in our country. You have to write all about it. Now, in your economics, your last chapter is devoted to consumer awareness, which has not been included in your syllabus this year. Okay, that we have to take it as a project. Okay, so if you need any kind of help, you know that net is already there, and if not net, then your chapter is also there. Plus, you have to take up one case study. Now, case study should be original. 2-3 cases are given in your book. You are not going to refer to those cases. You have to take your own cases of consumer exploitation plus the compensation which was given to that particular person, and then related pictures also you have to put regarding consumer awareness in this project. For this project, you may take these kind of papers, okay, these kind of papers, this kind of paper, and then you may divide it into two parts, and then you may write it down. Any colored papers you can take, okay? If you want to get it spiral binding, you get it spiral binding. If you don't want to get spiral binding, you can just hand it over. But children, what we have noticed in the project which was given to us earlier, it was done in a very filthy manner, in a very dirty manner. You were not over here. If you would have been over here, we would not have accepted it only. You are supposed to do your project very neatly. There should be some kind of artistic talent which should be depicted in your project. You are writing on a plain paper and giving it to us. That is, you are wanting 5 marks, but you are not putting a little effort also for your 5 marks. So don't expect that we are going to give you full marks for that. You have to put something, make it artistic, as you can paint it, you can color it, nothing, no, not even paint it. You can just color it. Color the side, make borders, write over here, put pictures, okay, put pictures or do whatever. Show your artistic talent. Make borders, nothing else than at least borders you can make. Use color pens. Okay, no need to buy stickers and put. Pictures you collect from the net, from the newspaper, from anywhere, and then you are going to put it down. We are not telling you to buy and make it very expensive, because we know that you have to do it in other subjects also. But kindly make it very neatly in an artistic manner. Is that clear? Word limit for this is 200 words. 200 words plus pictures. Plus pictures. Is that clear, everyone? So I hope there should be no confusion regarding this consumer awareness. Okay, if you have any confusion, then you can always ask me on Saturday. Saturday in your doubt class. Clear, everyone? And how many roll numbers? Roll number 1 to 18. Again, I'm repeating. Consumer awareness, we have to touch on these topics: origin, judicial setup, one case study, and conclusion. Is that clear? Case study will be of 100 marks, and rest you can take 50-50. Case study will be of 100 words, and the rest you can take out 50-50 words. So 200 to 300. This is your maximum limit plus picture. Okay, use ribbons also to tie it up. If you don't want to get it spiral binding, make a hole over here and use ribbons. Here you can use ribbon, or here you can use ribbon. Anyway, but please make it neatly. Clear, everyone? Okay. Next, we are going to talk about social issues. That is, roll number 19 to 36, they are supposed to make on social issues. Now, social issues, we have taken 3 topics which is there in your book also. Okay, one is gender discrimination, one is reservation, and one is communalism. Gender discrimination, you all know how men and women are discriminated in our country. Women are discriminated in various forms. Women discrimination keeps on happening in spite of the fact that in your outcomes of democracy we have read that there is legal and moral backing for them. But yet it is the incident of women discrimination. It keeps on happening right from your home till the offices, till the highest level in various forms. So this is one issue which you are going to take. In this, you can write anything, say for example, political participation of women which is less than 5%, then violence which keeps on happening, then literacy level of women is very less as compared to male. It is only 50%, whereas males is above 80% or something like this, okay? So these all issues you can take. Then female child is aborted, it was aborted in our country. Okay, so these all issues we can take it down. In your economics also, in your 9th class, you have studied about how female infant and lactating mothers, they are the ones who suffer the most in a poor family. That is why they are called as the poorest of poor also. Okay, so this is gender discrimination. Reservation. Reservation is one thing which is again a controversial issue in our country. On one side, we feel that reservation should be given, but on the other side, we find that because of reservation, a person of less capability, a person of less caliber, they are occupying high post just by the virtue of their caste. Okay, they are having very high post. Okay, and as well as the other person who's capable, he is sidelined. He is sidelined. Whether it is IIT exam or any other exam, you find reservation. Reservation. Your 9th class, we had read about Mandal Commission. Okay, on the net you can find it out incident about reservation and voices against reservation. So you have to touch on both the topics, points for reservation and points against reservation, and last year conclusion. Is that clear? Okay, so you have to touch on three topics regarding this, in favor, against it, and then your conclusion, final conclusion. Then the third topic is communalism. When we talk of communalism, communalism is one thing where in the name of religion we fight with each other. India was a victim of communal riots in 1947, and the result of this was this, that we were partitioned into two countries, India and Pakistan. Communalism is not something about what you say communism. Communism is different, communalism is different. Communalism is when we fight in the name of religion, when we are not educated, when we are illiterate, we are easily, what do you say, misguided by various gurus, various great people or whoever. They can just bully the people also. Okay, so communalism, and because of that, we keep on fighting. Communalism is very much present in our society, but the thing is that we fail to notice it. Each of us, we consider our religion as superior. Okay, whereas what we find is this, no religion is superior. Every religion has got its good and its bad points. Okay, Hinduism also, none of the religion teaches that we should be violent towards others or we should kill the people in the name of religion, but this is what is happening. This is what is happening. So you have to touch on this meaning of communalism first of all. Okay, children, please don't be confused. Meaning of communalism, then effect of communalism, then how can we combat communalism? And lastly, your conclusion. Combat means how can we fight against communalism? What the government can do to fight against communalism present in the society. Okay, and lastly, your conclusion. So you have to touch on those four topics. Okay, next is your roll number 37 till the last roll number 52, 54, 55, whichever is the last roll number, even 50. You have to write on sustainable development. Sustainable development, everybody knows. It is the requirement of today's time. Every country is heading towards development, but at what cost? Okay, this, they say that nature never kills one person or two person. When nature strikes, it kills millions of people in single instant. This we have seen in the form of tsunami coming in our country. We have seen in the landslides occurring in the Uttaranchal and at various places. Okay, so sustainable development, you all know the meaning. You have studied in geography also, you have studied in economics also. Meaning, then Earth Summit, find the information from the net, global impact and the steps taken of conservation in our country as well as all over the world. Is that clear, children? So this is all about your project work as per your CBSE. Is that clear? I hope there is no confusion. If any confusion, kindly ask me in the doubt class. Okay, now, one more thing, children, you all can do is this, that you are going to make three things. Three things, what you do is, you may not get the spiral binding or whatever, you can take a folder like this. A folder like this, which has got a stitch button, and then all the three things, you either tie it with a ribbon, or you staple it properly, or you cover it properly, and then you can put and hand it over this file to us with all the three things. Map file also, this project work also, and one more thing which we are going to tell you about. Okay, so this also you all can do. This type. So everybody, now here you should have your roll number as well as your name properly. Okay, try to buy a folder like this, which has got this thing, what do you say, a pocket over here, where you can put your name, your roll number and everything. And you can hand it over to us like this, all the three things together. So this we can, because we have to keep it as a record. So it is better that you do it like this. Okay, individually, everybody should be having this kind of folder and all the three things should be put into the folder, first, second, three. And here when you write it down, you write your name, you write your roll number and you write all the three things, one, two and three. Because even if one thing is missing, we will not take it. Clear children? So I think this idea will be better. Spiral binding or no spiral binding, but if you put it like this, it will be better for us. Individual record we'll be having. Okay, children. Now the third thing, what we are going to talk about is your pay attention, children. This is your third work, which everybody has to do. Okay. Now, pay attention. This year, a new thing has been introduced, which is called as art integrated work, where you have to use certain artistic talent, and you have to study also. Now, every state has been combined with other state, and you have to make a comparative study. And we can take different in English also. Your ma'am must have given to you all. Here we have taken Assam and Rajasthan and we have touched upon two topics. One is clothing and the second is handicrafts. Okay, you have to find out the information from the net. The word limit is 300 words plus picture. So what you all can do is you have to, each of the student has to touch on both the topics, coding also as well as handicraft also. Usually what happens children is that when you search the net and initially what the information you get, you everybody write the same thing. Don't do that. Search for something more. Search for something more genuine. Okay? Search for more interior. Then you write it down. Word limit is only 300 words, 150 for clothing and 150 for handicrafts. And then you have to put the pictures also. So in this, you have to show your artistic talent. Is that clear, everyone? Art integrated program. You can search on the net also regarding this. But we have taken for you all for 10 class students. We have taken these two topics, clothing as well as handicrafts. Okay. Please, again, you may use this kind of sheet. No need to make your work very expensive. You can use white sheet also if you have got at home. You can use colored sheets also. The only thing which you need to buy is this kind of folder. This kind of folder where you can put your things together. And it should have, even if the pocket is not there, then you can put your label. Children, the way we were receiving your project, it was really in a very, very horrible condition. You were not here in the school, otherwise you would have not taken it only. Please use your talent. You are sitting at home, you are having ample lot of time. Utilize this time to complete all your work so that maybe in say after 15, 20 days, we are going to let you know that when we are going to collect these things. Everybody has to do this work, so no need to waste time. Complete your work and keep it ready. Is that clear? Any confusion? You can always ask me or in the count class. I don't think there should be any confusion. Okay, math file if you are having, use it, and if you don't want to use it, if it is not in a good condition, don't use it. 18 maths, okay, compile them together, use a thread, use a ribbon, make it very neatly, and then put them in the folder and give it to us. Clear everyone? Okay. So this completes your today's class.